to Rabbit English. We like helping you learn English. So anyway, if you like our video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to Rabbit English. See ya!
Rabbit English, Rabbit English, Rabbit English, Rabbit.
Curtis! Please, be quiet.
Sorry,
Be quiet.
sorry.
Thank you.
Rabbit English. Hi, Monkey.
Oh, hi, Curtis. How are you?
I'm okay. And you?
Oh, I'm good, Curtis. I'm good.
Hey, Monkey, why are you in my kitchen?
Oh, I'm making my dinner.
In my kitchen? Why?
Well, I haven't got a kitchen.
Have you got a house?
No, I've got a tree. It's a beautiful tree, but I haven't got a kitchen in my tree.
Okay. What are you having for dinner?
Oh, eggs and ice cream.
Like in the same bowl?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Ew, that sounds very bad.
Oh, it's good.
Hey, what's this on the fridge?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, but it's from your mom. I
Oh,
saw her.
not good. Let's see. Ooh. Cleaning, cooking, homework. No! Never.
Haha. Curtis, what are you doing?
Nothing! Go away!
Are you watching TV?
No, never! Hey, I can't see the TV! Move! Go away!
No, I'm not moving. Did you see Mom's list in the kitchen?
List? What list?
Mom's list.
No, I didn't see a list.
I'm holding it here.
No, put it away!
Let me see. Monday, clean your bedroom and do homework.
No, Monday is for watching TV.
Mom! Curtis isn't cleaning his room. Is he doing his homework? No, he's watching TV.
No, I'm not watching TV. Phyllis is watching TV.
Curtis, go clean your room and then do your homework. No TV.
Mom!
Curtis!
Yes, Mom, I'm going to my room.
Bye. List.
Hi, Dragon.
Oh, hi, Ted. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm pretty good. Well, it's a beautiful day today.
Yes, it is. What are you doing today, Dragon?
Oh, not much. I'm just walking in the park. I love it when it's sunny and hot like today.
Me too.
Oh, what are you doing, Ted?
I'm standing here.
I can see that. Why?
I'm picking flowers for my girlfriend.
You've got a girlfriend? Wow, I didn't know.
Yes, I have. We're very happy. We're going to drink milk tea
Nice. Where are you drinking milk tea?
at the cafe near the park. I like it there.
Yeah, they've got delicious milk tea.
Yes, they do.
Anyway, Ted, goodbye, and I hope you have fun with your girlfriend.
Thanks, Dragon. Goodbye.
Sorry, man.
Curtis? Why? I don't think I like Curtis. No.
No homework. I'm not doing homework. No cleaning. I'm not cleaning my room. I'm in the park. I'm playing football. It's fun.
Oh, I'm so happy. It's a beautiful day. I'm here at the cafe with you. Aren't you happy, Phyllis?
Yeah, I guess so.
And we're sitting together and we're drinking milk tea. Isn't it wonderful?
Yeah, if you say so. Oh, the Wi-Fi's not good here. Oh, it's so slow. The Wi-Fi's too slow. Oh, I want to go home.
But Phyllis, we're having fun.
You're having fun, Ted. I'm not. Hey, what are you holding?
I'm holding flowers.
Why are you holding flowers?
They're for you, Phyllis. I got you flowers. You're my girlfriend.
Oh, I don't want flowers. I'm not your girlfriend. Oh, Ted, I don't like it here. The milk tea isn't good. And the Wi-Fi is bad.
Why?
I'm going home.
Why? I just want to be happy. Why doesn't she like me?
Oh, hi, Ted. Can I sit down?
Okay.
Okay. Say, is Phyllis your girlfriend?
Yes, I mean, no, I don't know. No, I haven't got a girlfriend.
Wow, it's a beautiful day, isn't it, Ted? Like sad rabbits.
Why?
No cleaning, no homework, just playing with my ball.
Curtis, what are you doing?
Phyllis, go away. I'm playing.
Your bedroom isn't clean. Mom's very angry. She says go home now.
Why can't I play football? Why homework? Why cleaning?
Curtis!
It's not fun.
I know, but go home now.
No
Go
fun.
now.
Okay.
Hello and welcome to Blue Rabbit's Grammar Corner. Today we look at how to make sentences with ing words into questions. Want to help, Monkey?
All right, I can help.
Okay, Monkey, look at this sentence.
The monkey is climbing a tree. Oh, fun. I love climbing trees.
We're not climbing trees, Monkey.
Oh.
We're doing grammar.
Oh.
It's not fun.
No, it's not fun. Sorry, Rabbit.
Blue Rabbit, Monkey.
Oh.
It's Blue Rabbit.
Of course. Blue Rabbit.
Don't do that. Okay, Monkey, how do I make this sentence a question?
Let me see. I don't know. Climbing the tree is a monkey. Oh, the tree climbing monkey is it. Why are you laughing at me?
No, Monkey.
No.
Let me help you.
Okay, fine.
Blue Rabbit Grammar
Do this
Magic.
again.
And look, Monkey, is the monkey climbing the tree?
Wow. Yeah, that's the question.
Let's try another.
Okay.
Here, the children are learning grammar.
Oh.
Now make it a question.
Oh, poor children. The grammar children is learning. No, are learning. No, the grammar are learning children. No. Oh, wait, got it. The children. No.
Come on, Monkey. Come on.
Are the children learning grammar?
Let's see. Blue Rabbit Grammar magic!
I like this.
And look, monkey, you are correct.
Hey!
Are the children learning grammar?
How about that?
So to make a question with an ing sentence,
Okay.
we take is or are,
Uh-huh.
then what or who is doing the action,
Okay.
like the monkey
Hey, that's me.
or the children,
Oh, yeah.
and then the action,
Ah,
climbing the tree or learning grammar.
nice. Wow, that's cool. I would like
What,
to be
monkey?
climbing a tree.
Okay, go climb a tree.
May I?
Goodbye, monkey.
Okay.
Go. Yeah,
Thank you.
go. Okay, bye. And good night from Blue Rabbit's Grammar Corner. Good night.
Oh, hello, Blue Rabbit. How are you?
Hi, Pink Dog. I'm fine. And you?
I'm okay. What are you doing?
Well, I'm sitting here, I'm drinking coffee, and I'm watching the cars go by.
Oh, that sounds nice. Say, can I sit here too?
Sure.
Ah, thank you.
What are you doing today, Pink Dog?
Oh, not much. I'm not teaching today. I'm doing some shopping, and after I drink a coffee, I think I'll just go home, relax.
That sounds like a nice day.
Yes, it is. Oh, I'm not teaching Curtis today, so I'm very happy.
You teach Curtis?
Yes. Do you know Curtis?
Oh, I know Curtis.
Yes. I'm so happy I'm not teaching him today. He makes me very tired.
Yes, I never want to teach Curtis.
Oh.
No. Oh.
Oh, hello. Today I'm teaching my brother how to cook dinner. Every Wednesday, Mom wants Curtis to cook dinner.
It's on Mom's list.
Yep, there it is. Okay, Curtis, what are we cooking for dinner?
Rice. Let's cook rice.
Good. All right. What do we need to cook rice?
We need rice.
And
What? Just rice.
just rice. No water? No pot?
Ah, okay. We need rice, water, and a pot.
Very good. And where do we cook the rice?
Oh, come on. We cook it on the cooker. Hey, look. New list.
Huh?
Mom's new list. See, Wednesday, play football and watch TV. I'm not cooking. I'm playing football. See ya.
What? That's not Mom's list! Curtis!
Hello and welcome to What Does the Rabbit Know? Today we look at what the rabbit is doing. I will play a video and you tell me what the rabbit is doing. Are you ready, rabbit?
Yes, I'm ready! Video! Oh, we're watching
Okay, rabbit, here is our first video.
I love video.
Oh, hello. It's a beautiful sunny day. I'm in the park. It is very windy. I'm standing. I'm holding a string. What am I doing?
Sorry, man.
Curtis! Curtis!
Okay, rabbit, what is the rabbit doing?
But it's a dog! It's not a rabbit!
I don't care. What is it doing?
But it's a dog!
Ah, okay, rabbit, what is the dog doing?
But this show is about rabbits, all right? It's called What Does the Rabbit Know? And what is the rabbit doing?
Just tell me what the dog is doing.
Oh, but
Dog doing what?
I don't like dogs.
Ah, the dog is flying a kite! Just say the dog is flying a kite!
The rabbit is very sad. He is not happy.
Crying.
He is holding his head in his hand. What is the rabbit doing?
Crying! The rabbit is crying!
Yes, the rabbit is crying. Thank you and good night from...
What does the rabbit know? That's my life.
Not dogs, rabbits.
Today is Wednesday. I'm playing football in the park. Oh, sorry, man.